Hello everyone. This is Joel Marian Tirfil and Tan doing from Set D, and we will be presenting about the indigenous food and drink. I am in charge of the indigenous food, and the food that I chose, the ingredients are from the prairies. It has the bison, the berries, and the roots. The prairies is a region in Western Canada. It includes the Canadian portion of the Great Plains and the prairie provinces, namely Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. These provinces, it has a lot of grassland, plains, and lowlands. The bisons, there's a lot of bisons there. There's also a lot of berries and roots because of the weather and the structure of that province. So uh, from the berries and roots, you can also make a traditional bonnocks and berries. The average cook time for this one is 10 minutes, but you also need to prepare for the ingredients. I think it will take around 10 to 15 minutes, so the total time would be 25 minutes. The main ingredients for the bannock. The bannock is this bread. It is called the bannock because it is the traditional bread of the indigenous people in Northern America. To make a bannock, you need to have a 3 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of water, 3 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and vegetable oil for frying. So basically, uh, you will just mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt together, and you need to add water so you will form a dough. And after you form a dough, you will just fry it until it is golden brown. And for the raspberry, the ingredients for that is 2 cups of raspberries, 1/2 cup white sugar, and 1/2 lemon juice and rind, and 1 pinch of salt. And for the raspberry, you just cook it in the saucepan over medium heat until it becomes soft. And you need to add sugar, lemon juice, rind, and salt. And you just need to continue cooking it until the sugar is dissolved, and you will drizzle the the raspberry um, inside the I mean you will put the raspberry inside the banana, just like the picture. And the berries and roots also have natural healing properties. The berries, they are very rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. A lot of indigenous groups use them. For example, for the example for this one are the blueberries and elderberries, which the indigenous groups use if they have colds, flu, and infections. And the roots also contains powerful medicinal properties, including pain relief, digestion support, and detoxification. And the example for this one is ginger root, which helps with nausea and stomach issues. If you have stomach aches, then ginger root is good for you. While the burdock roots, it purifies the blood. And Tan will discuss about the indigenous drinks.
Hello everyone. The indigenous tea that I will be presenting today is the Chopon tea. Chopon tea is made with the leaves of Chopon holy plant and is also the core ingredients. Um, it can be enjoyed with its natural form of flavor or flavoring additionals such as spices, herbs, and fruits. Chopon tea is flexible to be enjoyed with either hot or ice. Firstly, we will need to bring water to boil. Add 1 tablespoon of chopon leaves per cup of water. We then shimmer the leaves in the boiling water for 5 minutes. After shimmering, We will remove the pot from the heat and allow tea to steep for a few more minutes. Lastly, we will strain the tea and it will be ready. What's so unique about Japan tea is it was well known as only caffeinated leaf-based infusion indigenous to the United States, offering a smooth, earthly flavor and a gentle, jitter-free energy boost. Japan tea is also believed to aid in natural healing due to its rich antioxidant content, anti-inflammatory properties, and caffeine content, which boost energy and support mental clarity. And these is the references for indigenous food. This is the references for indigenous drink. That's it for our presentation about special characteristic indigenous food and drink. Thanks for watching.